This is an image that I created using Nano Banana Pro in Google Vids, and this is the video that I created using the image that was generated. So if you want to generate high quality image using Nano Banana Pro and turn them into a video, then follow along. Go to Google Vids and start a new video by clicking on this add button and select the blank video option. Now from the utilities on your right side, select image to generate an image using Nano Banana Pro, and here you can describe the image that you want. I'm going to create a scene from futuristic city which has glowing skyscraper, flying vehicles, holographic billboards, and elevated walkways. Now you can select the aspect ratio of your image by clicking on this button here and selecting it, and also you can add a style to your image by choosing from these. I'm going to select cyberpunk and I'll start the image generation by clicking on this create button. Our image is generated and this is what it looks like. You can insert it using this insert button here, and I'm going to expand this for better visibility. And now to convert this image into video, you will click on the image and you'll see this convert to video button, which if you click, the VO tab will open with your image inserted here, and here you just have to describe the scene that you want to create. Well, I'm going to add this description, that is to slowly push the camera forward through the skyscrapers and have one or two flying cars move around and display light rays as well as the holographic billboard. Now I'll click on the generate button to start the video creation. Our video is generated, so let's insert it. But before doing that, let's add another scene by clicking on this new scene button, and I can insert it directly by clicking on this insert button. And here's our video, and I can play it using this preview button. And it's stunning. It is exactly how I prompted. Now to download this video, go to the files button and you can see the download option here. You can choose from either MP4 video or GIF video, or you could export this video directly to your drive by clicking on this export to drive button. So that was how you can create HD images in Google Videos and also turn that image into a video within a few seconds using Veo.